You guys gotta check out my exhaust. I just put on my off-roads. Here's my cats from before. It's a H-pipe. Thing's hella loud right now. Especially when I'm just driving it regular. I'm gonna get some pics. There might be a car meet tonight. I don't know. I'm not sure. But if there is, I'm clearly gonna bring you guys around. Yeah, let's go. Alright, here's the first spot. This is the spot though. The bridge is over there. I just moved the car from, it was over here, but trying to get a different angle. But hella cars coming right now, so I better get these shots quick. Alright, this is the second spot. I'm literally in the middle of the road, but I'm gonna get some pics right now. Alright, this is the third spot. It's under Kia. It's a garage, but carbon fiber's popping out hella on this one. So I'm gonna try to take some clean pics in there. Alrighty. Alrighty, I'm done with all my picks for today. Just 3 spots, and I think I got like around like 40 picks. Follow me on Royal_Shelby on IG, and you'll see the pics. I got some pretty clean pics. I'm not the only one that takes my my pics for IG. I got a couple boys and stuff. Yeah, just follow me on IG. It'll mean a lot, and yeah. Alright, we out here at the car meet. Took the Shelby out. 392. Oh, now you know what it does. They want to play at AT&T, and I think boy Miguel. Barry Meats. Hella stings. Oh shit. Step on it. Oh, what a pussy. Damn, GT3. Got all the cars lined up. Kevin. All the way back there. Check this shit out. Freaking bagged. GT350. From boy Diego. Got some courses. Look at that hood. That hood's clean. It has hood pins on it too. Let's check out this orange one. This one's hella clean too. Brake calipers, they poppin'. GT350. Sheesh. Trip, but it's hella cold. Be on the beach before we eat. Get all my Converse all messed up. Damn, what the fuck. Let's get this ball. See what we can do with this shit. Oh fuck. Got my Converse dirty. Come on. Alright. Goodbye, ball.
So it's a full bucket or a half bucket? 3.5 gallons? Full bucket. Okay.